Hey guys, so I'm going to take you along with me.
We are going to be making dinner.
Warning, I can't cook like anything. Like I struggle making an egg, so everything is okay.
It's awful.
This is gonna be comical and interesting, and I'm really sorry for the lighting. But we're gonna head to the kitchen and figure it out. Okay, so our broccoli's in the microwave, our water's starting to boil, our mushrooms are cooking down, and the ground meat, which is now not nearly as raw, so it is camera allowed. We are trying the vodka sauce from Trader Joe's. I've never had it before, but we'll see. Looking beautiful. You fell. I caught you. You're okay. Okay, I saved you. And now you have a beautiful look at the stove.
Me dancing because maybe I actually can cook.
Ow! Fuck me. I swear, I think that's like my catchphrase now. I just keep accidentally doing shit to myself and then being like, oh no!
If you can relate to this in any way, comment down below what your catchphrase is.
Mushroom ASMR. Did it boil? Yeah, why isn't it boiling? Yay! I did it. I totally did that. Wait. Ah! Alright, this time you're not falling. This time I'm taking you out. Ah! Actually, no, I'm not. I can't get you out. Sure. Ah!
Look at this.
Beautiful sauce. We have some mushrooms. We have some broccoli. We have some ground turkey. We have some vodka sauce. Isn't that beautiful? Fuck! Fuck! Everything is okay.
Hey, if you guys liked this video, I would love it if you guys subscribed and gave it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.